Hi, I'm Shannon, and this is my husband Florian, and we are the co-founders of Cinnaholic.
So Cinnaholic is the first and only vegan cinnamon roll concept where you can walk in, you get a fresh cinnamon roll, and then you can pick from about 20 different frosting flavors and 20 different toppings and create your own DIY cinnamon roll.
I went vegan about 9 years ago and just started transitioning all of the recipes into vegan recipes and got creative.
And now we have over 50 locations in the make. We have 15 open right now. We just signed a major deal in Canada, so we'll have locations opening all over Canada. I don't think there's any stopping for us. So if you're in Canada, you want to own a Cinnaholic, then come talk to us.
A lot of people will come in and they'll order a cinnamon roll, sit down, eat it, and on their way out the door, they won't even realize that it's vegan. It'll show up in all of our Yelp reviews like, oh my gosh, I've been going here for years, this place is fantastic, I've recommended it to friends, and I just now realized that it's all vegan.
And I think that's part of the concept. Like anytime you start a business, you shouldn't just start a business because it's vegan. You have to have a really amazing product. So we did a survey on our customers, and it's actually 80% of the people that frequent Cinnaholic businesses don't even know or care that it's vegan. They just come in because they feel it's a great product.
In the back is where all the magic happens. That's where we make all of our dough and our cookie dough and our brownies and everything, all fresh. Anything with cookie dough is definitely our most popular. We make the cookie dough in giant batches from scratch, all by hand.
I like the coffee frosting and then have a house-made cookie dough on top. That's probably one of the best experiences you'll have in your life.
Right now we have a few locations open in Nevada, Colorado, Georgia, Idaho, Texas, Pennsylvania, and California.
Hi, I'm Eric. I'm the franchisee at Cinnaholic Echo Park here in Los Angeles. I went vegan 10.5 years ago. I was just looking to do something in the vegan community. Cinnaholic was a concept I was already familiar with. The craziest thing would be the brownie chunks combined with the cookie dough. I mean, those are both really decadent by themselves. Caramel sauce is really good on the brownies and the chocolate sauce is really good on the cookie dough. So, I mean, combine all four of those and you got something really crazy.
Everybody in my generation says, yeah, everything's worth it. But nowadays, most people say, yeah, oh, I heard about this vegan business, or I tried a vegan cheese, and it's actually not that bad. And you know, that's how people get into it. And I think it's a smart way to do it. When you can put veganism in front of people and showing all the undercover footage and also showing all the positive stuff, that's how you change hearts and minds. And Mercy for Animals is doing a fantastic job doing that.